Alright, so me and my wife just bought this overhead tripod on Amazon. We're just going to very quickly unbox it, show you how to put it together, and a brief review. And Coco's going to be helping me today. Probably just going to sleep all day because it's pretty cold outside, but yeah. But she's going to give some emotional support. Alright, so it's nicely packaged, as you can see. Alright, so there's the paperwork. There's your instructions. Alright, so there's all your hardware. Alright, so step 1 of instructions. This part right here, you're supposed to make sure that this part's already attached. So back here, mine's already attached. There's 2 screws there holding that little block in. There's a close-up of the 2 screws in the block. Okay, next I'm attaching what they call the sidebars. It's really long, as you can see. There's 5 holes at the top of it. Alright, so I'm going to go down, let you see the bottom up close. That's where the leg is. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. This comes. Okay, so here's the screw we're going to use right there. That's what it looks like. One on each side. Okay. Alright, so that's done. But now we have to do the same exact thing again with the other foot. Notice that there's 2 holes right there. So those are going to be your side legs. And it looks like my helper has fallen asleep. She's a highly trained professional YouTuber. What do you think, Coco? Do you think it's going well so far? I would agree. So now we have to put the side brackets on. Alright, so the top part has a wing nut on the back. That's the top, that's the bottom. Yeah. Alright, and then we do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so that's done, but now we have to do the same thing again with the other leg. So now they're both done. The last part, you got to put this crossbar on. So the crossbar is right here. Okay, the holes are going to be down. Let me show you. These are your last 2 hand screws. This last part is your camera mount. You can see right here. Your camera is going to be mounted to that. There's a small screw here. It's really hard to see, so I'm going to turn it sideways. Let you see it. See how there's like a little thumb screw there? That is how you're going to put the camera in. Turn this like this. Camera mount like this. Make sure the screw is closer to this side. So the screw's right here. Slide this on. You have to do this right now. Okay. Then, whoop. So your camera slides on that. And you put this here. Take your thumb screws right here. Line that up. You can adjust the height. So, it doesn't matter. You can put it at any height you want. I'm going to go right here. Actually, I'm going to go all the way up. So you have a bigger area you can film. Just tighten the first thumb screw. It's a little sharp up there, be careful. Alright, yeah. Alright, so there you have it, it's done. I'll show you a close-up of all of it. You got the bottom there. Goes up. Got your side part. Your part your camera mounts to right there. Got your other side. And the other two bottom feet. And you're ready to go. So now you mount your camera. There's a hole right there. Line that hole up with the screw in the back. Alright, you can also raise the camera up and down like this. So that camera goes up and down however you want. I'd probably do it like that. Right about there. Don't forget it goes back and forth. And there's another thumb screw if you want to lock that in place. And lock that down. So you get no movement. The total height of the unit is about 27 3/4, 34 inches wide. So the holes on the side you can adjust. Start at about 11 high to about 15 high to about 19 high, and then to about 23 high. And then the top is 26 3/4. So I'm talking like right here, like that, 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 and that. And then your total adjustability side to side, about 31 inches. And these legs at the bottom, the depth, 19.5. It also comes with a cell phone holder. Mount your cell phone. So you can just screw this in, and then your cell phone would just mount in here. Like that. And then you could just move your cell phone back and forth. Now it won't hold a gigantic cell phone, just a standard iPhone size, not the big iPhone. Another thing I want to tell you about it, you could change the way this part's mounted. You can mount it this way, and then you can mount your cell phone holder like that, so you can change the direction of the cell phone. Like that. Okay, another thing I want to show you. You see those two brackets I just put on? Let me show you up close. Finally, it comes with these two brackets right there, and a screw here. Your other brackets over here. Screw there. Alright, so those two brackets would allow you to put like your own backdrop up. I'm just going to use the manual for now, but like you could essentially, you know, put a piece of paper, any kind of background. It comes with a clip there. Alright, and then you can make this wider. So if you want to bring it over here, you could do that. Then you take the other clip right here. There you have it, completely assembled. So final thoughts, it's built like a tank, I'm not kidding, it's really solid. It's extremely versatile. You could use it in other ways, but it's really only intended to, if you're someone that needs to shoot from the top down, and someone like an artist or someone who likes to paint, you just want to get a nice solid shot. You get a lot of stability from it because of the way it's designed. Pretty neat that it has those clips. You can put your own background there, your own photography background on those clips. The cell phone holder is really cool. We're done, right, Coco? You ready for a treat? Coco, give me a paw. There you go. Pretty good, huh?